V2V channel. So today in this video we are discussing one more data interpretation related to the pie chart. First see, so this is the chart and he said that Raju's monthly expenses. So the expenditure of transportation is 8%, food is 22%, education 20%, rent 15% and others 35%. If you add all the numbers, the total monthly expenses of Raju is equal to 100%. That is the information. See, if it is a value in terms of 100%, the total value become 100%. Sometimes they given in terms of degree. If it is a degree, the entire circle which is exactly equal to 360. So the comparison between percentage and degree is equal to 100% of value exactly equal to in terms of degree is 360. So question number 1, see, if Raju spent 4,500 more on food and transportation. See, food and transportation, food here 22%, transportation is 8%. So he spent food and transportation is exactly equal to 30%. And he spent 4,500 more on food and transportation together. He spent on rent. See, he spent only 15% of rent. See, he said that he spent more than rent. So the difference between these two values is exactly equal to 15%. Then 15% value they given as 4,500. Here my question, find his monthly expenses. Monthly expenses value become 100%. Then see, percentage cancel. 15 300s are 4,500. So 300 into 100 the value become 30,000. So 30,000 is a Raju's monthly expenses. So option is 3. Second question. If Raju's increased his savings, which is currently 10% of income, by 20%. See, income, expenditure, savings. Current income is equal to 100. He said that the savings which is currently 10%. 10% means the value become 10 and the expenditure become 90. And the next term he said that if income is increases by 20%, if income is increases by 20%, 20% of 10 the value become 2, means the savings become 12. And reduces his expenditure by 20%. If you reduces his expenditure by 20% means 20% of 90. 20% of 90 value become 18. So 20% of 90 become a 18. If you subtracted 18, the value become 72. Clear? Here my question. Then savings would be what percentage of his expenditure? See, savings is equal to 12. Savings would be what percentage of his expenditure? Means 12 by 72 into 100. Clear? And see, 12 1s are 12, 12 6s are 72. 6 become 100. 6 become 100. We know the value become 16 2 by 3%. So answer is equal to 16 2 by 3%. Okay, see the next one. Raju spent 20% of expenditure on others on entertainment. See, we know that others is a combination of different expenses. He said that other expenditure exactly equal to 35%. Out of 35%, he spent 20% on entertainment. So 20% of 35%, 25% of 35% is exactly equal to 7%. Clear? And then see, these amount which is equal to 2,100. If 7% is exactly equal to 2,100. Here my question, what is the expenditure on education? Education exactly equal to 20%. 20% is how much? See, percentage cancel. 7 300. 7 300s and 2 3s are 6. So option is equal to 6,000. He spent 6,000 rupees on education. So option is equal to D. Okay, see them. Find the angle made by expenditure on rent and others put together. We need to find the angle. See, first of all, rent and others. Rent is equal to 15%. Others is equal to 35%. Together, the exact value is equal to 50%. But here my question, find the angle made by on expenditure, both are together. See, we already know that 100% value exactly equal to 360 degrees. But here my question, we need to find 50% in terms of degrees. See, 100% 360, 50% value become 180. So that is the direct comparison. Okay, see one more question. As a price drop, Raju's expenditure on clothes dropped by 10%. So 10%. As a result of this, expenditure on clothes decreases from, see, expenditure on others decreases from 10,500 to 10,290. Then what percentage of his expenditure on others we spent on clothes? See, others is a combination of different expenses. Point number 1. He said that initially we have a 10,500. So 10,500, the price is dropped, become 10,290. So 10,290 because of 10% of reduction of price in the cloths. See, drop 10% of price. See, here the value decreases because these 10% decreases. It means see, 10,500 become a 10,290. It is decreases by 210. If it is decreases by 210 means the 10% of value exactly equal to 210. Then 100% value exactly equal to 2,100. It means he spent 2,100 rupees on clothes only. Here my question. Then what percentage of his expenditure on others we spent on clothes? See, the total expenditure of others is equal to 10,500. Out of 10,500, he spent only 2,100 rupees for clothes only. Then we'll go to cancellation. 0000 cancel. So 105 2s are 210. We have a one more 0. So he spent clothes on others exactly equal to 20%. So answer is a 20%. So these are the questions related for pie chart. See, if it is a comparison in terms of percentage, the value become 100. If it is a degree, the comparison goes for 360 degrees. Thank you.